Grand rising, everyone. So I just got out of meditation and I received a message that I want to share with you. Now, this is a good one. How many times have we created the thoughts that we do not have time to do the things that we need to achieve for the day, for the week, whatever it is? Now, we all have different lifestyles, different things that we need to achieve. But with that being said, how many times, how often do we mindlessly scroll? How many times do we mindlessly spend time doing things that do not help us get us to the place that we need to get to? And with this, I wanted to share that it's just plain self-sabotage. It is. It really is. Some of you may be thinking right now, but Zahar, I have a lot of things that I gotta achieve throughout the week. I have a job, I have children, I'm working on my goals, I'm working on side projects, whatever the case. But what I want to bring up to you is, do you have the discipline to achieve your goals? Do you have the discipline to achieve your goals? Because we often say that we do not have time. Like I said, self-sabotage. Because you don't have the time, you make the time. There's a very distinct difference between the two. People will say that they don't have the time all the time. You make the time, baby. You make the time. There's people way busier than you making time for the things that they want to achieve. So get out of your own way. And when something is truly important to you, you will make the time. You will just make it.